Nice color boat, eh?
What?
The boat is nice color.
Yeah. Look, I'm taping you.
Hi,
You're
everyone.
making barbecue. And Mark is going to give us a lecture about how to make good barbecue.
Barbecue? Barbecue. It's the barbecue club. Have some barbecue course. Everybody, this is the first story about the barbecue. First, you take the barbecue and you put it on the balcony. Then you take the meat and don't forget the barbecue. You have bullseye.
Good.
You have
Yes, good.
Jack Daniel. And if you're a real ass, you'll like jackass. But you'll have Jack Daniel.
You know what? YouTube is going to ban this.
Then you have hot dogs. See? Woof, 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 woof. Woof, 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 woof. Hot
This
dog.
video is going to get banned on YouTube.
Then you have hamburgers. Hamburger. You want to have a hamburger? Okay, have a hamburger. Then you take this one. You know what this is? I'll show you. It's from there. Taken from the woman.
Okay, that's going to get banned.
Then, see? Hamburgers. See this? You know what this is? Have you imagined what this is? Zoom! Zoom, 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 zoom. Then, you let it burn. You let it cook. You let the blood come out.
God.
See the blood? But be careful. You know what happens when the blood comes out? Dracula will come and drink all the blood. Then, you flip it. Flip it. You know, flip, 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 flip. Flipper. Take the hamburger and you flip it. You take another one and you... Sheesh. Hamburger. Flip it. See that? Now you take it. See the blood? Blood. Bring closer. Bring closer. Closer, closer, closer. There he is. There, look at that. So be quiet, you lady. Be quiet. See that beautiful smile. Go to the dentist. See that? You flip it. Flip it. See the plate? Okay. Flip it. And you flip it.
That's a good lecture.
Flip it, flip it, flip it. Then you don't forget the hamburger.
You're going to get famous on YouTube.
You take now, don't forget, take some more sauce. Some sauce. Sauce. See? Uh-oh, fell down. Look at that. Look at that. Not dirty. See? Look at that. Come back. Take some more Jack Daniels and you put it on here. There you go. You put some more sauce. You take the sauce, you put it back on, you make sure that no one takes it. Look at that. Good. Now look at it. You take some more and you flip it. You put this on it. Oh, hot. Not finished. Look at that. Look at that. Some
No,
of
I
this.
can see.
Here you go. Put some of this on.
I get dizzy going around like that.
Let's see.
Dizzy, but they just went back and forth.
Whoa, that guy is with his girlfriend or wife. Oh. Actually, that's a family, I think.
They're having
Something exciting.
Daddy's having fun. The rest of them, everyone else at the table
It's like going to the mountain, the roller coasters. It's scary, but it's fun.
I don't go on nights. Never.
I never went home.